In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add music to your site on Squarespace. Adding music to a Squarespace site is a simple way to share a track, playlist, podcast episode, sample, or audio preview directly on one of your pages. Squarespace gives you an audio block for this, and you can either upload an audio file from your computer or use an embedded link from a supported music platform. We will go through the process slowly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. To begin, open the page where you want the music to appear in edit mode. This could be any page on your Squarespace site where you have permission to make changes. Once you are inside your site editor, navigate to the page you want to update and then choose the option to edit that page. You should now be looking at the page layout with editable sections, blocks, and content areas. Take a moment here to decide where the music should be placed. For example, you may want it near a short description, inside a portfolio page, on an event page, or in a section that introduces an artist, album, or audio sample. The placement matters because the audio block will appear exactly where you add it, so it is helpful to click into the area of the page where it makes the most sense for visitors. Next, click an insert point. In Squarespace, an insert point is the place where you add new content blocks to a page. As you move around the page in edit mode, you should see an option appear that allows you to add a block in that location. Click that insert option when you are positioned where you want the audio player to appear. This is the point where you are telling Squarespace that you want to add a new type of content to the page. Instead of adding text, an image, or a button, you are going to add a block specifically designed for audio. From the block menu, select the audio block. The audio block is the tool Squarespace uses to display playable audio directly on your site. After selecting it, a settings window or panel should open depending on your version of Squarespace and the layout you are using. This is where you will choose how you want to add the music. You now have two main options. If you have an audio file saved on your computer, click Upload to add that file. This option is useful when you have the actual audio file ready to use and want Squarespace to host it as part of your page content. After clicking Upload, choose the correct audio file from your device and allow it to load. If your music is already hosted on a platform such as SoundCloud, Bandcamp, or Spotify, select Embedded Link instead. This allows you to paste a supported link from one of those services. Make sure the link you paste is the public share link for the track, album, playlist, or audio item you want to display. Once the link is added, Squarespace can use it to create an embedded audio player on the page. After you have uploaded your file or added your embedded link, review the audio block settings briefly. Make sure the correct file or link is selected, and confirm that the audio content is the one you intended to place on the page. This quick check helps prevent adding the wrong track or placing an incomplete embed. When everything looks correct, click Apply. This confirms your changes and places the audio block onto the page. After applying it, you should see the audio player appear in the area where you inserted the block. From there, the music is now added to that section of your Squarespace page, and that is all there is to it. You have opened your page in edit mode, added an insert point, selected the audio block, uploaded a file, or added an embedded music link, and applied the block to your site.